to Southern country living, where Calvin and Marie's love is always given. Cooking up a storm, sharing their life. Do what you love, love what you do. That's their advice. Down in the South, where the living is sweet, come on in, take a seat. We'll show you how to cook with love and live a life that you're proud of. Join us on this journey, come along for the ride. Southern Country Living.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making Reese's peanut butter bars. And this is a real easy, simple recipe. I think it'll be good for the holidays. And I may have a special guest coming by today to do the taste test. I'm not sure yet, but y'all just have to wait and see who that is. I bet y'all all that watch me a lot probably know. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in 2 cups of graham crackers. And then I'm going to put in a cup of peanut butter. Also, my graham crackers, I used my mini processor, and I ground them up as small as I possibly could. And it's better if they're real fine. So now then I'm going to put in my 2 cups of powdered sugar. And my 1 cup of melted butter. Okay, now the hard part. And you want to stir this really good to get all that peanut butter in with the graham crackers. Smell that peanut butter. It smells really good. It's really cool here today in Georgia. I woke up this morning and had to turn on my little heater in my bedroom. Okay, I think this right here is good and stirred up now. And you don't have to spray your pan. This is a 9 by 13. spread this out. Okay, I think I have this spread evenly. And so now then I'm going to melt my chocolate. I'm going to put this whole pack of chocolate chips in with my peanut butter. And so I have my makeshift double boiler over here. And so I'm going to add in my chocolate chips. Okay, I have my chocolate chips in here. And so I'm going to put in my peanut butter. This is 4 tablespoons. Also, I forgot to say, you can use your microwave if you want to. This is getting good and creamy. Okay, this is melted now. So now then I'm going to pour it on top. Take my spatula and smooth it out. in the comments, it said that this recipe, that people really did like it. So I'm hoping it's as good as everybody raved about it. Okay, I have this smoothed out all the way to the edges, and so I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it set for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to take it out and I'll cut the bars. So I'll be back in a little while. Okay, hi everyone. I'm back to do the taste test, and I always say that's my favorite part. And my bars came out really good. And I already cut them, and then you want to cut them the first 30 minutes. So they may actually go back a little bit. You can tell right here, this one has went back a little bit, even after I cut it. But that is so that when you do your next cut, that it doesn't break the chocolate off the top. Okay, so here I go to do the taste test. Oh my. That is very delicious.
How close does that come to tasting like a Reese's peanut butter cup?
It's close as you can get. It is delicious. It's rich, and that's what a good piece of Reese's peanut butter candy is supposed to taste like, rich. And this is very good and rich, and this would be a really good, fast and easy recipe for the holidays to make for any Christmas party you wanted to go to, and everybody would love you for it. Okay, I'm going to close out my video right now, but now if Addison comes by here in a little while, I'll get her to taste one. Okay, so y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see you on the next video. And these are really good. Bye. Man.
Open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold when the autumn leaves are playing chases.
Ready?
Yeah.
You think it's gonna be yummy?
Yeah.
Okay. You wanna take it back first?
Let me make sure you're in the picture.
Yeah,
right there,
I'm a lot
'cause
taller than her.
You're a little bit taller now, so you're not in. Let me back it up just a little bit so you'll be in there.
Try about look like this. Watch. Mommy's gonna kick hers off.
Me too.
We can wash your hands if you get chocolate on them, okay?
Okay.
You can use this.
You can.
What do you think?
It's good.
Is it good?
Can you give it a big thumbs up? No?
Who made those?
Nana.
Nana made
Nana
them?
made them? Yum. They taste so good.
Did Nana do a good job?
Yeah, she did.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you want another bite?
When I finish this one, I do.
Okay.
Why don't you take another bite? Try one more bite.
Okay, Mommy.
Mmm.
Do you want
Does it,
Nana?
does it taste like peanut butter cups?
It does. It's very good.
Very good.
Yum.
I really like it without Nana Raid.
You like it an animated?
A smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low. Dancing through the last days of September. Since I was a little child,